12 of my CUET preparation 2026, and today I tried something different. Instead of just studying, I started explaining what I studied because जब explain करता हो तब real understanding आता है. So today focus was not just on completing topics but actually understanding them deeply and explaining in simple way. जैसी टीचर नहीं, एक स्टूडेंट दूसरी स्टूडेंट को समझाता है इस तरह. First, I started with GAT reasoning. Today, I practiced missing numbers. So, basically, in missing numbers, we need to identify the pattern. It may be in different patterns: addition, subtraction, multiplication, squares, and sometimes mixed patterns. हर क्वेश्चन का एक लॉजिक होता है, बस उसको पकड़ना होता है. एट फर्स्ट इट लुक्स कंफ्यूजिंग बट वंस यू गेट द पैटर्न इट बिकम्स वेरी ईजी. So instead of solving many questions, I focused on understanding why the answer is correct, what are the different type of patterns, and if you practice 10 different patterns, then the 11th question may be different pattern. So I started analyzing the patterns first. Then I moved to maths. Today I revised formulas and applied them in questions. I just stuck in relations and my two other chapters were done, matrices and determinants. Rather than that, I'm just not zero. Okay, when I'm prepared to boards, I just revised, but it is different. I'm from state board and now the syllabus is of CBSE board. Because in maths formula is everything. Formula याद हो तो question have solved है. For example, when you solve a question, you should immediately know which formula to apply, what is the strategy and the method to solve it. That's why I'm trying to improve, not just solving but solving faster and smarter. After that, I studied physics. Physics is all about concepts. If you understand the concept clearly, numerical become much easier. And for theory part, NCERT is more than enough. Like if you went throughout the NCERT very thoroughly, then your theory part is almost covered. Then you need to practice more MCQs. Then your theory part is done. More is numerical, which is very boring also. And सिर्फ पढ़ना नहीं है, actually समझाना की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Then I solved a few more numerical based on the concepts. CUET is not just another exam. ये डिसाइड करेगा कि नेक्स्ट 3-4 साल हम किस एनवायरनमेंट में रहेंगे. Because college matters a lot. The people, the exposure, the opportunity, everything decides on it. अगर अच्छे कॉलेज मिलता है तो ग्रोथ ऑटोमेटिकली फास्ट हो जाता है, वरना सेम पोटेंशियल होने के बाद भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिस हो सकता है. Due to less opportunities, you may also lack. So college is very important. I also realized one thing, सिर्फ पढ़ने से सिलेक्शन नहीं होता. You need the right strategy. रैंडम से पढ़ने से मार्क्स नहीं आता, टारगेटेड प्रिपरेशन से आता है. And one more thing I've noticed, sometimes I understand the logic but I take too much time. अगर CUET में time ही सबसे important factor होता है. So now I am slowly trying to improve both accuracy and speed together. In maths, I feel confident when I practice more. जितना ज़्यादा practice उतना clarity, and I'm not rushing. I just want to build a strong base first. And physics is actually become interest when you understand it. वरना सिर्फ फार्मूला याद करेंगे बोरिंग लगता है. So now I'm trying to connect concept with real understandings. Sometimes I do feel scared कि क्या मैं टाइम से कंप्लीट कर पाऊँगी या नहीं. But I know one thing, if I keep showing up, result will come. हर दिन perfect नहीं होता, but every day counts. And this is what I really want to tell you guys. If you still not started your preparation, then please do it, because your next future is 50% dependent on it. So yeah. And one more thing, I have many free resources app, and one of the app is this CUET exam preparation. I found it really very useful. It has a lot of resources, free mock tests, free PYQs, free previous year important questions. Like, it has many things subject wise, and it is very useful. Who want to have free resources and get everything in detail. It also have important notes in the important questions. PDFs are very clear. It has mind maps, it has everything. And I have really a lot of apps to increase your concentration, and free resources for everything. If any one of you want to know that thing, then subscribe and let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely try to answer. So this is the best app. I feel like explaining while studying is actually helping me, because now I'm not just memorizing, I'm understanding things properly. So yeah, day 12 is done. Today was more understanding than just studying, and I think this is right way to go. Day 12 is complete. Actually, I studied less, but I properly understood the concepts. Follow for real CUET preparation, and thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.